Hey, federal employees, did you lose some of your union protections overnight? Well, a federal appeals court has lifted the injunction that was keeping President Trump's March executive order on ice, meaning 2/3 of the civil service could see collective bargaining rights vanish if the agencies flip the switch. Here's what's happening in a nutshell. Judge Paul Friedman had froze the order in April, but on Friday, a split D.C. Circuit panel, Judges Henderson and Walker, the majority with Judge Childs in dissent, said the unions hadn't shown irreparable harm. The ruling clears the way for Treasury, Justice, Defense, and more than a dozen other agencies to declare themselves national security shops to try to sideline bargaining altogether. Notably, this is not a decision on the merits. Technically, agencies promise not to rip up existing contracts while litigation continues, but management can start rewriting workplace rules the minute a contract expires. We'll see how this will play out. Grievance timelines, official time, even basic consultation rights could shrink. My phone has been buzzing since the decision dropped, so let's ground this in facts, not fear. This isn't the end game. The unions can still ask the full DC Circuit or the Supreme Court to step in, and the underlying lawsuit challenging the order's legality still moves forward. So I would document everything. If you see sudden changes to performance metrics, telework rules, or discipline procedures, create a paper trail. It may be critical evidence if the order is later struck down. Also, feel free to talk to your union rep and see what they think is going on. Strategies will differ depending on whether you're in a temporary detail, in probation, covered by veterans preference, etc. So big structural shifts trigger anxiety, especially when they hit job security. So please remember to pause, breathe, and remember legal processes move slower than headlines. Staying informed and organized beats panic every time. If you found this breakdown helpful, please double tap it so it reaches more colleagues who haven't seen today's news, and drop your agency in the comments below so we can compare how implementation is looking on the ground. And please also share this with your local union. Knowledge is leverage. And thank you to everybody who's following us for real-time legal analysis. If you're interested in getting on our free daily newsletter, please go to fedlegalhelp.com/newsletter. That way you don't have to rely on the algorithm giving you this information. Thank you everybody for your time, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.